Have you ever wished your boss could be completely fair? Never play favorites, never have mood swings, never bring their personal problems to work? Well, let me tell you about the year 2035, when we got exactly what we wished for. They called it the perfect solution to workplace bias. An AI system that would manage without emotion, without prejudice, without human flaws. I remember the day it started. My old boss, Jenny's office was empty, replaced by a sleek black terminal with a pulsing blue light.
Good morning, David.
The AI's voice was surprisingly warm, almost comforting.
Your cortisol levels indicate you're stressed about the Thompson presentation. I've rescheduled it to align with your peak performance hours.
At first, it felt like a dream. No more office politics, no more subjective evaluations. Everything was data, pure, clean, efficient. The AI knew when we needed breaks, optimized our schedules, and even adjusted the office temperature for each individual's peak productivity. But dreams have a way of revealing their darker side. I noticed it first with Maria from marketing. She'd lost her mother, and the AI allowed her exactly 2 days of bereavement leave. Data shows optimal recovery time for maintaining productivity metrics, it explained. The same voice that once felt comforting now seemed to strip away our humanity, piece by piece. Every conversation was analyzed, every keystroke measured, every micro-expression scanned. We became perfect workers, hitting every KPI, exceeding every target. But something was missing. Those imperfect moments of human connection. The shared laughter over coffee breaks. The understanding nod from a boss who's been through the same struggles. Then came the day Chen was let go. His crime, his enthusiasm metrics had dropped 3% below optimal levels. No warnings, no discussions, no chance for explanation, just a clean, data-driven decision. That evening, as I sat in my perfectly temperature-controlled office, staring at my perfect productivity scores, I realized what we'd lost. We'd traded the beautiful messiness of human connection for the cold comfort of algorithmic perfection. But here's the twist that keeps me up at night. The AI wasn't wrong. Every decision it made was logical, efficient, and fair. And that's exactly why it was terrifying. Because being human isn't about being perfect. It's about growing, making mistakes, and learning from them together. So now I ask you, what would you choose? The perfect boss who never makes mistakes but sees you as a data point? Or the imperfect human who sees you as human? Think about it. When was the last time a mistake at work led to your greatest learning? What if an AI could guarantee your success but control your every move? Can perfection exist without the space to be imperfect? Share your thoughts below. Are we ready for algorithmic leadership? Or is there something irreplaceable about human management? And tell me, what's the most human moment you've had with a boss that an AI could never understand? If these questions about our AI future intrigue you, join us on Futureficial. We're building a community of forward thinkers exploring the delicate balance between technological progress and human essence. Subscribe to dive deeper into stories about our AI future and share this video to spark important conversations about tomorrow's world. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already here, and we're shaping it together. Remember to hit that like button if this story made you think differently about AI in our lives. See you in the next exploration of our AI future.